Hindi. We're just friends. We're good friends. I just, siyempre.
Hanggang friends lang talaga yun.
Opo, sobrang friends lang. Friends lang tayo.
Walang, kahit friends naman, pwede naman eh. Yung ba nagsisimula?
Ganun ka ba?
Oo.
Pinapawisan ako sa mga tanong natin. Mainit ba? Pero
Hindi,
friends
kasi
po,
dun,
friends.
so, dun sa magandang bilang, di ba?
Yeah. May maganda yung show.
Puti-puti ka na talaga kayo.
Hoping pa na magka-sequel yun, magka-part 2.
Sayang nga po eh. Ganda sana kung may part 2, no?
Oo.
Pero,
Bagay pa naman kayo.
naku.
Ayaw mo na sa kanya.
Wala naman pong ganun.
Pero
Wala.
hindi na kayo nagkikita as in parang
Hindi.
friends na.
No. Siyempre, we have to respect their privacies also. And we don't want to add more commotion or whatever. Sa akin na lang yun.
Kasi yung mga medyo na-issue kayo noon, medyo parang tumaas yung ano yun eh, yung
Mas
appeal
naging
mo,
desirable
parang
siya.
Parang hindi naman ho. Parang hindi naman.
Parang lumakas
Parang
yung
hindi
dating mo
naman.
talaga, right?
Na parang hindi naman ho. But may damages siya. May good things came out of it. Now I can play dad roles, which is pretty cool. Ilang beses ko na din siya nagawa for like a few episodes, which is actually a door opening, you know, another opportunity, another role, another
Pero syempre
thing to
namin
try.
nainggit sa'yo nung time na yun eh. Nung,
Nainggit?
parang ano pala, beauty queen.
Wow!
Magandang
Ano di ba? Beauty queen killer pala.
Killer.
Pero reaction namin na-curious sa'yo nung nalaman yun, di ba? Ano bang meron si Rob at parang ang daming na, you know, nalilink na beauty queen.
Ano ho ba yung meron? I don't know. What you see is what you get. I'm
Anong
just a guy.
ano reaction mo nung lumabas yung kanta na ang kumanta na si Wilbert, yung manager dati ni Erling?
man. Thank
Yung
you,
Kain
thank you.
Tayo.
Ah,
Napakinggan mo ba?
Hindi po. Ano ba yung kanta?
Kain Tayo. Inspired.
Isang
Naging
beses.
Oo. Natawa ka?
Yes, actually, it's something. Something good came out of it. They had an
Novelty
idea.
song naman.
They had an idea. They made a song. They made a jiggle out of it. It's all fun and games now. Tatawanan na lang natin, di ba? It's all.
Marami bang
all part of
nagayang
history.
kumain? Sa'yo ang sabi. I mean, syempre, may mga magme-message sa'yo, nakain tayo, or...
But actually, hanggang ngayon po, meron pa din.
So,
It's funny. I laugh with them. Like right now, it's a laughing matter to me na lang.
hindi na siya.
Hindi siya dapat talaga maka-apekto sa atin because we're aiming for something bigger, you know? I am bigger than this issue, or I'm bigger than those problems, and I'm here right now celebrating Regal's 60th kasi we're gonna make history. I am here to make history.
So hindi ka naman nagkaroon ng parang mga mental health problem?
Paano ba natin sasabihin? I will not say na I would say na don't play with people na who are experiencing those kinds of depressions and anxiety because it's real. It's real, guys. It's real, and we have to take care. Pag yung mga lalaki, guys, boys, you just talk to your friends, family, and just be you. You know, it's not easy, but you will get through it.
Pero
Everything's
at
gonna be
least na
fine.
ngayon, na-overcome mo na yung gano'n.
I think so.
Kasi
I
parang
think
may
so,
feeling
bro.
ka na parang katapusan na ng career mo siguro yung time na yun. Ang daming...
It came to mind. Pero na-realize ko po
okay
na
na eh.
hindi naman siya makakasira talaga. Hopefully. And hindi natin alam yung inahawak ng future, but I'm praying for the best, honestly.
Pero ngayon ba, sinong gusto mong yayain? Gusto mong yayain kumain?
Kumain?
And I mean,
Anong gusto mong kainin din?
siyempre part ng pelikula kung gusto mo.
ano ba?
Kung gusto mo,
Gusto ko ng Taiwanese food. Din Tai Fung. Namiss ko po yung Din Tai Fung kasi kumain kami dun ilang beses.
Sino ba partner mo doon sa...
Secret!
Hindi ba at least siya yayain mo kumain?
Si Jane o si Alexa?
Secret.
Si Alexa, di ba?
Di natin yata pwede pa para may surprise. But we don't know. Mali mo si MJ, di ba? Oh.
Yun nga eh. So,
Mali mo si Raf Pineda.
beauty queen na naman si MJ.
Diba?
Ano ba yan?
Ay, loko.
Ayan.
Hindi po.
Naging close ba ka ni MJ dun sa...
MJ has been a really great friend, and pareho po kami ng managers Tito Don Don. So, she's been a really smart mind to talk to.
So, nag-dinner naman kayo doon. Kumain kayo doon sa...
Sabay-sabay kami lahat. Yeah, sabay-sabay kami lahat.
Ano ako magtanong,
Madami kami.
mahihiya ako. Mahilig ka bang kumain ng hipon?
Natanong na po yan, hindi po masyado. Ay!
Siya rin yata nagtanong.
Oh,
Hindi
di ba?
ako.
Tanong mo na eh. Hindi po masyado.
Hanggang ngayon.
I would prefer crab. I would prefer crab or lobster or steak.
Oh!
Sisig.
Maraming crab mentality.
Steak na lang. Huwag tayo dun sa ano. Oh, delikado tayo dun sa isa pala. Pero, you know.
Buti hindi ka allergic sa seafood.
Hindi naman. I actually like seafood. I love seafood.
Pinapawisan lang siya.
Mainit. Alam mo, pawisin talaga tayo.
Nakakain na seafood, syempre.
Parang nag-workout
Especially
ako, ah.
spicy, no? Or-
Yeah. I love spicy. I love spicy food. I love Thai food, which is spicy also.
Ano na?
Ano?
Ayoko na.
Oh,
Masaya
wala.
na ako
Ano?
ron.
May mas maganda pa. May meron dyan.
shy ako eh.
Pero nung time na yun na parang siyempre nasa intriga talaga, nasa ano, paano mo na-handle yun talaga? Hello po.
Ama, ang ama ko po.
Oo.
Sir? How are you? Just
Kasi-
finishing this.
Kasi kahit
Yes, po.
pamilya siguro na-apektuhan that time eh, di ba?
Yes, it was a tough time. It was a first time po natin ma-experience yung ganun. And hopefully, wala na ganun in the future. And then again, my family was there to support me and they know what I'm about. They know it's not true. They know I wouldn't be able to do such a thing. And sobrang loss sa amin yung nangyari. We miss Amelia so much. Lahat kami, my lola, yung great lola na anak ko, miss na siya. So, I'm just really doing everything I can para maayos na in legal ways ngayon. And that's why I do the interviews also po, honestly. Kasi I leave a thread for my daughter to see one day when she's older.
Okay.
I'll never forget it. I'll never forget it. I will never forget it. Kaya ko po lahat tinatanggap. And siyempre, sabi naman, pwede ako wag magpa-interview, but I'd rather talk to you guys, you know? At least, hindi po kasi ako masalita masyado. I'm not an angry person, so it takes a lot to trigger me. I guess this is a chance for me to say what I have to say, even though hindi ko masabi lahat. Yun lang.
So gano'ng katagal
Thank
na
you.
ba na hindi nakikita?
Nung anak ko po,
Paano lang alam namin?
ever since December 19 or 20 pala ng madaling araw.
Hanggang 1 year na. Ang tagal mo.
Sana hindi umabot to. Sana po hindi umabot to. Pinapamadali ko na silang lahat. Pero hindi naman natin mamadali kasi may process talaga. Proseso, pero nagpapatulong na din ako. Pero hintayin natin.
Pero anong message mo sa anak mo?
I love you, anak. Sobra. I miss you so much. I'm doing this everything's for you. Everything's for you. Even yung mga na-misconceptualized na answers ko before, all of those were decided based on the idea na may plano ko eh. I had a plan. I entered showbiz late. I had a plan and we wanted to grow as fast and high maybe siguro. But hindi lang umabot. So, yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you!